Hey, what's up, buddy? Welcome back my another English speaking series, and this time I'm at my vegetable farm because I saw many my farmland area where only wheat plant. Now it's summer season, so all dried places because I saw my all barren area where not any crops. So this time you can see it's quite green area, and yeah, it's all green area, and it's very close to this road because you can see this is main road, and here very good connectivity of water irrigation system because my area irrigation system is quite because it's quite up area and not come water everywhere, and so this area is quite good because we have here lots of borings, lots of tubes. Also later some tubes. So you can see first we have here. So you can see it's a bitter gourd, and we called it Karela, and now you can see lots of Karela here and here and right there, all vegetable area. So let's see you green chili. So you can see it's a green chili plant, and here it's a green chili and red chili both. So you can see all some ripe. When it ripe it got red, and when it's young it's green. So you can see, and also guys, let me show you some my. So guys, you can see it's a young tomato plant. So you can see some flowers in this plant, and now it's a quite old plant. So here some fruits, and it's a very old, so it's now not very good plant. And here you can see it's a brinjal plant, and here you can see it's starting a flower. And also guys, you can see it's onion. So you can see onion is quite good, and here lots of onion, and here you can see another vegetable plants. It's a parva we called here, and here you can see it's a flower. So you can see it's a quite white flower, and there are lots of vegetables. It's all parva, and there are lots of fruits here, and also you can see it's a quite young red chili plants, and here you can see it's a torai here, and also you can see it's a very little plant, and now it's some fruits and some flower as well. And yeah, you can see it's a mix. Now when it bring out onion, and it will ready. So that's why we planted here in middle of this onion, and now onion is ready for harvesting. So you can see it's dried some plants, and it's ready to harvesting. And yeah, you can see here it's big onion. And also guys, let's see cucumber. It's a cucumber plant, but it's quite young. So guys, this types of field we have here for vegetable plants. So you can see here it's a vegetable area, and here lots of all farmers are vegetable and some cow fodder, and here also some pulses. And now there is a tube bell. So I'm gonna see you the tube bell, and also guys, you can see it's variegating because here some wild animals like hog, pig, and calves, and male buffalo. So they destroy our crops. So that's why we protect our crops like this. So guys, now I'm gonna see you a tube bell here. So you can see it's not everybody here do vegetable farming. Some do, some not. Here you can see wheat plants there, watch. And here you can see there were onion plants. Now it's all harvested, and only left this some you can see. And here also was onion plant. It all onion plants. And also guys, you can see it's a tube well. So guys, you can tube well. This is the Indian village tube well, and yeah, it is tube well. And guys, you can see now recently it irrigated this farm, and you can see water go to this farm. It's a cow fodder. It's called Bajri, and here you can see its engine. And we wrap up here some patta, and now bring out water this pipe. And this type of basic system of water irrigation. And also guys, you can see there are lots of power plants here, and yeah, and also guys, you can see this is kand here, and also this is different types of vegetable. And we made cutlass, so it's quite famous in our area for cutlass. And guys, let's see another farm to you that people protect. And you can see this is a very little farm, and here people protect this bamboo and some branches. And also guys, here you can see it's lady finger plants, and here you can see lots of flower. So guys, here you can see lady finger plants. So you can see the flower is coming and some little fruits coming, you can see. And he also barricading this because all wild animal eat all these vegetables. So now guys, I came here, this is my main road, and it's a village road, and you can see it's quite rough road, and it goes to this village and connect a village to another village. And also guys, let's see a flower, and please let me know what its name. And guys, you can see this is quite heavy plant, and it's like serve, and here it's like a jungle also. And here you can see there are lots of flowers and fruits as well. And in this fruits there are lots of cotton inside, and but no one collects cotton. And also you can see the cotton, yeah, like this. So guys, it's cotton, and it's no one collect, and here it's like serve. And now guys, this road is very beneficial for villagers, and people come here for morning walk and go to their field. And also you can see there are lots of greenery, and it's a cow fodder. And now you can see there's quite young, and that is quite big. And here lots of spinach, lots of bitter gourd, all this I've shown you. And there is pumpkin field, you can see. And here some neem trees, some plants. So guys, if you explain anything like this, and you don't have to choose a topic, just at random explain everything, what you see, what you feel, explain everything, and your English will improve. That's why I'm doing everything. I'm just going to attach at my home, and I'm just explaining everything. So you can see there's another herb, and it's called sarpat, be called. So guys, you can see there are lots of herbs here, and yeah, it's very good to improve your English, and do some walking, do some jogging, and yeah, it's one time both work. So you can do like this. And here I'm going to this my village, and it's here no one is here, and no one judging me, no one is talking me. And also there is a madar tree, lots of madar trees I've shown you this, and now it's quite young. And yeah, it's also have some fruits, you can see this one, and it's quite beautiful. So guys, in this video that's it, and I'm sure that it will help you to understand some English words. And here you can see it's quite white flowers. So guys, in this video. That's it. I'm gonna wrap up this session here. Yeah, please let me know what I did wrong and what should I improve. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.